In this video, I'm going to share with you how I created the package for my Sand Goblin art toy. There's a playlist in the description for you to see how I made this prototype and the toy itself. After I completed the prototype, I disassembled the whole box and then scanned it into the computer. Then I created a die line using the prototype as a guide. This way I would have an accurate template to work in. I brought the die line template into Procreate where I could begin the blue line sketch for the package art. There was tons of reference of the Sandcrawler online for inspiration. For the insert artwork, I referenced lots of pictures of where they kept the droids inside the Sandcrawler. Once I completed the blue line, I dropped the opacity where I could then begin the inking cleanup work. The idea is to keep the artwork loose, playful, and cartoonish to match the art toy that goes inside of it. On the back of the package, I want to have a Power Droid giveaway where you clip out a coupon and mail it back to get a small collectible figurine. After inking, I brought the artwork into Photoshop where I could begin the coloring process starting with flats. I then began coloring by using various sponge brushes to give the Sandcrawler some texture. I then moved into shading the artwork. After the shadows, I added various highlights. For a fun detail, I added the Sandcrawler tracks onto the bottom of the package. After adding final details to the package art and making my minor adjustments to the graphics layout, it was ready to go to the printers. The local print shop did a great job. Now it was time to hand assemble each box. I used an X-Acto blade to cut out the package and then a bone folder tool to create the crease lines. I used an Elmer's glue stick to glue together the bottom. While that was drying, I cut out the insert, folded it, and glued that together as well. I cut out a piece of acetate, which I two-sided taped into the box to create the window. I finished assembling the package by gluing and folding up the side. I then used a small black twist tie to attach the Sand Goblin to the insert. After dropping him in, I used a few packing peanuts to hold him in place and then taped the box together. I was really happy with how this project turned out. I learned a lot through the process and was able to produce several of these to send to my clients. If you like what you saw, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe.